Locate your replacement toner cartridge and ensure it's compatible with your LBP613Cdw model. Open the front cover. Locate the front cover on your printer and carefully open it. Pull out the cartridge tray. A tray holding the toner cartridges should slide out. Identify the spent cartridge. The printer might indicate the specific toner that needs replacing, or you might need to visually identify the color that's low on toner. Remove the spent cartridge. Pull the designated toner cartridge straight up and out of the tray. Unpack the new toner cartridge. Carefully remove your new toner cartridge from its packaging. Prepare the new cartridge. Optional, gently shake the new cartridge 5 to 6 times to distribute the toner evenly inside. Consult your user manual for specific instructions. Install the new cartridge. Locate the slot in the tray that matches the color of your new cartridge. Carefully insert the cartridge into its designated slot. Push the cartridge tray back in. Slide the tray back into the printer until it clicks into place. Close the front cover. Gently close the front cover of your printer.